Okay, in this video, I am repairing some water damaged carpet. So what happened is this basement flooded while the customer was on vacation. She had Stanley Steamer come out, dry out the carpet, remove all the old padding. They broke loose a seam, so she had the basement flooded with carpet. So I pulled all the carpet back, repadded it, moved the furniture to one side first, obviously. Then you can see here I'm stretching the carpet back up on the tack strips. And once the carpet has been water damaged, this was actually the second time it happened. But once the water has been water damaged, or once the carpet has been water damaged, it tends to stretch relatively easy. This is probably 60 ounce or better carpet, and you can see that I'm knocking the slack right out of here. I originally installed this the first time, and then it flooded. Someone else came and stretched it, then it flooded again. So this time I'm back and stretching it, and I'm going to show somewhere in this video how tight it actually got from me just using the knee kicker. Hopefully you can ignore my silly sweats, short belly shirt combo here, but it's cold in Ohio, and I've been doing this for a long while, so I like to be as comfortable as I can while I'm doing this. So basically I just was pulling this carpet as well as I can. I feel like once it's been, yeah, right there I'm showing nice snap. You can see it kind of drums. I got my cameraman here, nice and tight, but I feel like once it's been damaged so many times, you may not want to put the power stretcher on it. I guess you could, but I feel like it's going to be brittle after it's just been water damaged and cleaned and water damaged and cleaned so many times. Right here you can see I am removing the seam tape using the iron, just pulling back the area. It's pretty fortunate that this was the only seam that got damaged. So yeah, using this hook knife to prevent my fingers from getting burnt. And then yeah, the last person that fixed it, I guess they didn't want to break the whole seam loose. They just put that little piece on right there and made it work. I'm not really that guy. I'm kind of a full-on, if you're gonna do it kind of deal. Which I guess maybe I'm a hypocrite because I did kick this when I could have power stretched it, but yeah. Here's another thought about the amount of stretch you get out of this water damaged carpet. So clearly this area was kicked, trimmed, tucked in tightly. And right here you could, well, before this scene you could see I cut an inch and some change off of the inside piece, pulled this outside piece to it, or not outside piece, this little landing to it, still stretched it in, and it fit perfectly. I think I actually even had something to trim, so I feel like power stretching probably wasn't the best option on this one.